Now in this session of video we are going to discuss some problem related to the properties of ITF, inverse trigonometrical function. Now in this we have cot inverse 1 upon under root x square minus 1 where x is greater than or equal to 1 in the simplest form. Okay, for that let what we have to given, we have to take this cot inverse, so we can write it as let x is equal to sec theta. Okay, before starting this problem, this kind of problem, you have to choose that and the things given inside of a root, that it can be converted into a identity. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि क्या ये आइडेंटिटी बन सकती हैं, तभी आपने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे प्लेस करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेक sec square theta, so it can be converted into cot. Clear? So your motive is that to make such that to reducing this we can get the identity the trigonometrical function outside. इसको आपने ऐसे रिड्यूस करना है कि ये कॉट बन जाए किसी तरह से. तो यहाँ पे आपको लर्न नहीं करना है, इसको समझना है. सो इन दैट केस आई विल टेक x इज इक्वल टू sec theta. सो वी कैन राइट इट एज कॉट इनवर्स अंडर रूट x square minus 1, x is greater than or equal to 1. Clear? Now in place of x what we have to put up? We have to put up sec theta. So we can write it as cot inverse 1 upon under root sec square theta minus 1. So you know that sec square theta under root sec square theta minus, we can write it as sec square theta tan square theta. So we can write tan square theta. Clear? And cot minus 1 upon can be written as 1 upon tan theta. Further, cot inverse and 1 upon tan is what? Cot. Clear? These are the basic identity which you use in class 11. And further, we know that it is theta, and the simplest formula we know that cot inverse cot theta is equal to theta. Clear? So in place of theta we can write what? We can write it as but theta is equal to sec inverse x. Clear? So finally you can say cot inverse 1 upon under root x square minus 1 is equal to sec inverse x. Clear? So this further can be used as identity. Clear? Now we move to the next question. Now this is very simple questions. We have to use identity. What we have given? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 upon x 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Clear? So simply we have a LHL, left hand side, tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon x square. Clear? Now we can use an identity, and that identity tan using tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Clear? So simply you can use this identity. In place of x we have to take x, in place of y what we have to take? 2x upon 1 minus x square. Clear? Now put up this identity in this one. So we have tan inverse x means x, and y is replaced by 2x upon 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। बहुत आसान आपने आइडेंटिटी यूज़ करनी है, ज़्यादा कुछ इसमें करने के लिए नहीं है। 1 माइनस एक्स, इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स वी पुट अप एक्स, इन प्लेस ऑफ वाई 2x upon 1 minus x square. Clear? After simplification, what we get? Tan inverse. So we can take LCM x square. So what we get? X 1 minus x square plus 2x upon 1 minus x square minus, and it can be written as 2x whole square upon 1 minus x square. Clear? Okay. So I think numerator to numerator cancel out. Tan inverse. Okay, multiply inside x minus x cube plus 2x upon, and 1 minus we can write it as 3x cube. Further we can write it as tan inverse and 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Clear? And that is our RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, we will see some more questions. Okay, now in this question again I repeat that if you don't have remember the identity in class 11th, so these questions cannot be solved by you. So आपको पहले क्लास 11th में ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल आइडेंटिटीज जितनी भी हैं वो सब लर्न होनी चाहिए, उसके बाद ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा। Clear? Now what we have to prove? 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube this. Clear? हमको जो प्रूफ करना है उसी को हमको लेट करना होगा। So, क्या प्रूफ करना है हमको? cos inverse x by using this. Clear? So let cos inverse x is equal to sorry, in place of x theta. So we can write it as x is equal to cos theta. Clear? I repeat that things that we have to prove. So we have write it at cos inverse x is equal to theta. अगर हमें cos inverse x प्रूफ करना है, 3 तो आपका एक टर्म है वो तो आई जाएगी, लेकिन ये हमको उसी को लेट करना पड़ेगा। x is equal to cos theta, इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ पुट अप कर दीजिए। Now in RHS, right hand side. So what is right hand side? Cos inverse 4 cos cube minus 3x. Further, in place of x we can write what? In place of x we can write cos theta. So cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. क्लियर? और ये आइडेंटिटी तो आपको लर्न होगी। cos इनवर्स दैट इज cos 3 थीटा। क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी आर यूजिंग? वी आर यूजिंग 4 cos क्यूब थीटा minus 3 cos theta is equal to what? Cos 3 theta. Clear? Okay. So further it is 3 theta and theta is equal to what? Cos inverse. So 3 cos inverse x. Clear? So what? Finally we can say that our RHS is equal to LHS. Clear? Hence proved. Clear? Now we move to the next question. Okay, let's move this question. This is very interesting question. देखिए क्वेश्चन को देख के तो आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि सर क्या इस क्वेश्चन में साइन इनवर्स, देखिए क्वेश्चन को मैं लिख लेता हूँ एक बार, साइन इनवर्स साइन 3π/4। तो आप कहेंगे सर इसमें करने के लिए क्या, आंसर 3π/4 है क्योंकि साइन इनवर्स हमने क्या पढ़ा है, साइन इनवर्स साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू थीटा, क्लियर। बट 3π/5 is a problem. Okay, I recall you the property, and the property is that sin inverse sin theta, देखिए आप sin inverse sin theta को थीटा तभी लिख सकते हैं when theta is belongs to what, -π/2 to π/2, क्लियर। थीटा कहाँ बिलोंग करना चाहिए, -π/2 टू π/2। इस केस में देख लीजिए आप, इज दैट 3π/θ/5 इज बिलोंग्स टू दिस रीजन, यस और नो। कन्वर्ट दिस मीन्स -90 to 90 we can say, so we can convert it 3 into 180/5, so it is cancel out 3 6 108, so this is 108, what, it is greater than 90, so that case, but 3π/5 does not belongs to -π/2 to π/2। अब क्या होगा, बिलोंग नहीं करता है तो क्या क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं होगा, सो you can do it sin 3π/5 is equal to sin pi minus 3π/5, क्लियर। तो क्वेश्चन ये, कई बच्चे आपसे पूछ सकते हैं कि सर आपने पाई प्लस 3π/5 क्यों नहीं किया, माइनस में क्यों किया, और ये कैसे, मुझे कैसे पता चला कि मुझे 3π - 3π/5 करना है। तो उसका आंसर मैं आपको बता दूं कि पहले भी हम लोग ये डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन इज पॉजिटिव ऑन व्हाट, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट और सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, so this value must be positive, so it must be lies on the second quadrant, what, π/2 to between these two, so that's why we will take pi minus 3π/5, clear। Now it can be write as sin 5π minus 3π/5 and sin 2π/5। now check this 2π/5 between lies between these two or not, clear। so we can easily say that now sin inverse sin 3π/5 is equal to sin inverse 2π/5, the value of this and this is same, clear, no change in values, sin inverse, sorry, clear, sin inverse sin, I think I have done some mistake, okay, no, sin inverse sin 3π/2 2π/5, so our answer is 2π/5, and 2π/5 belongs to -π/2 to π/2, क्लियर है। एक बार फिर से हम लोग एक्सप्लेन कर लेते हैं, इफ this 3π/5 lies between the interval -π/2 to π/2, so we can directly write down sin inverse theta is equal to sin theta, but the problem is that 3π/5 does not belongs to -π/2 to π/2, so for that what we can do, we can convert that, change that radian into such that it is lies between the principal value of sine theta only, not sine for any other. So we will write that 2 pi by, and 2 pi by theta is equal to belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Clear?